Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna check crypto market and we're gonna check some news about it. I didn't make it any video yesterday, so it's better to make it today cause I wanted to see some direction. So it's gonna be better, I guess. So let's see. Before we start, just don't forget there is no any investment advice. I'm just gonna share my thoughts and my idea. That's it. So let's start. What's going on, guys? Let's check first economic calendar. I can say today we got PPA and which just came so good. After that result, we just made some rise in crypto market, which is good for us. Also in this week there's have other ineligible claim which is default and other some data, but they're not gonna affect us a lot. I mean, we are in very critical place. Okay, when I open the chart you're gonna understand. So even some unnecessary news can affect us, like side of Trump or something else, or something can just push up to rise up. That's why it's kind of critical area. So let's just start others. But before that, I just wanna read you one news cause since I opened my YouTube channel, always I'm telling you some bad news because there is nothing else except Trump news. There's also I have some information about Trump. I'll come to that topic, but let's talk about that one first. Today, we got one news. It says cryptocurrency preparation begging at X. At the previous bulls, we got some rise side of Elon Musk. Now, they give some signal cause the X product manager Nikita Beer just said cryptocurrency sector has had thought year, and they just want to make it some things on X side. And at the previous news like weeks ago they told they might open X payment method, like they can make it X on X like that. So if they make it them that payment method on crypto, that would be really nice for us. Then we can see very big pump in crypto. So that's why we are thinking that the sign of it. So let's just hope, even not now, even it's long period of term, as long as we're gonna see some rise on side of X. That's why, and it's gonna affect crypto. That's why it's very good news, I can say it. So let's just hope. And also side of Trump, there was a file, that, and they pretend like they did not agree, but to be honest, I think they both agree. Just they, need some money. Maybe on some point they just agreed together. Even Elon and Trump, that's my possible. They just agreed to take this, payment through crypto or some stocks or petrol, because both of them requesting money, but none of them gonna give each other. So maybe they making on purpose. So I do think the war gonna end pretty soon, even officially, which I guess we got just news about it. I just do think they just wanna make some manipulation in market just to why. That's why I don't give a damn about it. So I just hope we get more good news same as it is and see some rise in market. But the things market on critic area now, I'll go to total and I will show you cause it's risky, guys. If it's not a like, how can I say, it's okay, let me show it. It will be better. Let's start with total, because while I'm showing I will not stop talking, no worry. In total when we are looking general, let's just close this analysis. As you see, there is have double bottom, even you can say triangle because there is have higher high. So whatever you call, you can say that it's gonna rise. And now as you see, we are on 2.52 trillion, which was so good, but the things we need to see, we need to close some candles over this level, cause then we will understand there's really money flow goes into crypto. Then we will keep rise and we will rise same head as this pattern head, and then we will see some rally in crypto. But if we cannot see, that's not gonna be possible. If we see dump, same as here, it's not gonna be surprise. If we see dump till here, nobody can say that crypto is that. But still, the formation gonna be what? Wallet, I mean. So even it's dropped down again 2.42, can you say it's like big dump, or can you say we're gonna die like crypto gonna die? No, it's still invalid. It's still valid. So that's why right now till it's break up over this level and close at least three green candle over it, I still thinking it's very risky. But of course, when it's break up, then we can consider long for like most of things, especially Bitcoin. Cause guys, Bitcoin makes some rise, yes, but also dominance. Bitcoin dominance making rise, which is good. It's also have some level which it can like when break up this, we will see first rise on Bitcoin, then Ethereum and rest of it. But first Bitcoin, don't forget it. So on Bitcoin side, we made another channel same like the previous one, which is not surprise, and then it's tried to make rise over it, but it didn't succeed because there is an important area and there was a liquidation which got gathered all of them, the price gathered, Bitcoin gathered all of them, and it dumped. Right now I can say this because same as total guys, I will just close this. As you see, it's also another important level for Bitcoin. If we can close some candle over this level, then we can see even though around 80k, 79k, we have a CMA gap which can make reaction for us. That's why those are critical areas. So long story short, I'm thinking that yes, even Bitcoin dropped till 71,250. Nobody gonna says it's gonna drop till make lower than this level. Even this level. I'm gonna thinking it's gonna make rise cause it's made higher low. That's why when it's make break up of 76,550 like that, then you can open a long position till 81, it can reach there with wicks, or else you can consider, if it decided to drop, you can consider this box to short zone. But if you ask me, if it break up on this level, I can take it. If it drop on 71, then again I can open for long when it's reached this level. That would be good because this is very risky, and with small words comes through of Trump month can affect everything, it. So let's see. Just watch out those days cause don't follow FOMO, which is very risky. uh, FOMO will allow you to buy higher price and keep it till you got some losses. It's not good. Just watch out. Don't just make FOMO. In gold, I open your position. Even I did open this position because I gave you box before. Okay, I said 400, 800, 4,800, over 4,800, it will rise till 5,100. So you can consider this area as a low, which is good. Even it makes some reversal and come inside, you can expect some bonds over it. That's okay. You can just consider 6% profit on gold. That's it. But just don't make it high leverage. As I told you, everything's kinda risky. So in silver, guys, in silver, I guess we are still continuing our long position, which was like I'm not sure if it's top. It's not. Just you can let me know under the video. Uh, it's going well. So let's see. So I still expect some rise at least. Yes, I do expect 88, but at least we can go 85. On Brent now makes some channel and it's walking inside of that. If Brent can break up this line, which is, I will mark it like that, which is lower than it. First we will see 84, then I hope we can see 78, and then we can see some good market in crypto side and rest of things. Ethereum, Ethereum. By the way, of course, when they officially agreed on it, when end the war, then we will see, of course, dump on Brent. So let's see. Ethereum also makes some movement. They're all making almost same shape, guys. That's why they're all on important zone. Uh, to be honest, this technique side, in fundamental side, says there will be drop, but the things they manipulating the market. That's why we see some rise. That's why I cannot say this rise on Ethereum, on Bitcoin is not healthy. But anyway, so let's hope to to be honest, I on my side I wanted to see some correction, some drop, then rise. But if it's not, just in case, we can consider other way as well. So in Ethereum also has the same shape. So you can consider if it make a drop, you can consider, and if you wanna take risk, I'm telling you, this is also your risk. Maybe you can make part. You can take one here and second here. I don't know. It's up to your risk management, but yeah, I do see like that on Ethereum. But even if it drop till here, here, this part, 100, 2185, I'm gonna still see this formation is valid. And BNB was in the channel, but the things, what it made, that same as all of them, it's made another channel. If one channel break up or break down, it goes same height as previous channel, don't forget it. That's made the same. So normally on technical side, I do see a drop. Yes, you can consider same as a drop, at least till here, I can say it. But if we see some good news, if we see some pump on market, it can give this one. That's it. On Sol, guys, last time I told you it will break down and it made, but it goes half of my expectation. That's okay. Let's delete them as well. Right now, yes. It would make some, price around here, but it's not make sense. That's why I will just keep Solana. If you have, you can keep as a spot, till you see some direction. On leverage, I don't suggest it. Bitcoin Cash, I'm still saying same. When it's break up this level, even I can give you position. If it break up, it will rise till here. It will give you 5%. But before that, it not make sense. Yes, like that. XRP, yes, if it's break up, same like that. Even I make it higher, you can get this position, but it's not giving me some good shape. Even it's look like kind of diamond, but anyway, if there's a dump, you have short area, but I don't suggest you to make anything on XRP, because as I told you, first Bitcoin, then rest of them. Bitcoin, Ethereum, then rest of them. It's better. XLM you can consider short, because it's still inside of the channel, and as you see, it's rejected from the wick. So I do think it's drop. Yeah, it's gonna give this short. Link, I do expect a drop till here, then rise till 9.47 or 50, but I'm not gonna give any position. If you pro, you can consider. And Zeg, my baby love, Now, Zach, guys, we earn a lot of time in Zach. Okay, every time I'm telling that, but I will keep it whenever I open the Zach on chart. So on Zach, if you consider spot, you can wait 308. But the thing, Zach's gonna rise. Okay, Zach will rise. Zach will give us uh 450, but you can consider 49. Okay, because market not gives exact numbers most of the time. It will rise over here, or it will rise drop 308 and it will rise. If it came here, I will all in. But if it's here, you can consider this is total all your risk. But the things, guys, it's giving us very nice formation. It's giving Adam Ave. So uh whatever you see, everything's telling me Zach will give that position. So that's why I don't want to miss that things on Zach like that. And fat, if it's over this level, I do expect it will bounce again. Even, I can make it little like that. Yes, little lower. Yes, better. Then I can get 5%, or if it can break down and on this line, which is important for fat, then you can consider short. So that's it. Siren, you can consider this. You know that if you are pro, then you can consider. Before we got 28% on here. Now, yeah, it would give, but I'm not giving any entry or exit. I'm just telling it will drop. That's it. Dot, Dot got hacked, and it was not surprise. As you see, the formation is going to hell, so it's inside of our box. To be honest, I'm even expecting more dump in Dot. So if you have spot, I can't say anything, I'm sorry. By the way, did you see this coin is crazy? Like, my gosh, all pump. Anyway, Bitcoin. So guys, as I told you, it's very important zone, and this line is very important. It's kind of destiny, but the things, if it can break up this level, we will see 81 80 on Bitcoin. But even though if it drop, if it's make once over 71, which is perfect, uh our formation will be still wallet. So for long period of time, I do expect rise in not Bitcoin, just in crypto. But short period of time, it's risky. Okay, maybe you can consider not take here and take here. It will go rise anyway, but you can be, on the opposite side, it can make down. Then you will lose some money. No need, don't be greedy. If it's break up this level, we can open long. If it's not, when it drop, then we can collect. Um, that's it. We are getting good news, so let's hope to see better market. But don't forget, we still have Trump. Yes, I do see there is good news in market, but unfortunately, we have Trump. So, and you know that Jesus can cure us, for God's sake. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you on next video.